On the 13th, 14th and 15th of May, Paul, I'm excited because we're going to be back here at Soliteq's open house event.
Yeah, I mean, this place is fabulous for one. We were involved in the opening of this facility in 2019. In fact, the guys are getting ready, getting some of the demos that are going to be at the open house ready now. But yeah, we were involved in that opening in 2019. This is the first open house they've had since then. And I know we're going to talk about the machines and people are coming to see the technology, but the place is fantastic.
Why should people come to their open house event though?
I think, I mean, I didn't know too much about EDM until a few years ago,
Yeah.
but I started to obviously explore it a lot more. And I think this sort of event, when you talk about a company like Soliteq that supplies Sodic machines, around 60% market share of EDM machines worldwide is what we're told. So that's a tremendous amount. I think if you want to learn every aspect of how this technology works, but just how capable it's becoming these days, how many more processes can be done on the machine, the tolerances that these machines can achieve, and with advancements in the medical sector, the defence sector as well, these machines can really be applied to so many different products. And of course, with Hexagon MI being as part of this event and other partners, it brings together kind of like a fully rounded solution to educate people as to what these machines are now capable of.
And they're doing all right, aren't they?
They are. I mean, talking to the guys today, best quarter in the company's history in the first quarter of this year. And we know how tough the market's been. So, and they've also said that people come in here, you can see these machines. They are available from stock. There'll be some deals done. There's some guys here to talk about creative finance to help people invest as well. So there's going to be lots to see. I know you're going to be comparing it. We're going to be here filming it as well. So it's going to be an exciting week.
It really is. Now, I've got to ask you a question.
Okay.
How is your golf, Paul? Oh, God.
It's pretty good. In fact, I've never, ever lost a game of golf, and I don't expect that to change. In fact, one of the giveaways is they're going to be machining trophies here.
Yeah.
And I'm 100% certain I'm going to walk away with one.